Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the place where we explore some of the most incredible luxury homes in the world. Today we are in the beautiful coastal city of Malibu, California, touring a breathtaking mega mansion that is currently listed for an astonishing $52 million. This property is truly one of a kind, featuring a private watchtower, a full-size tennis court, incredible ocean views, and a design that perfectly captures the luxury California lifestyle. As we begin the tour, the first thing that stands out is the long private driveway leading up to the estate. Surrounded by palm trees and lush landscaping, the entrance immediately creates a sense of exclusivity and privacy. The architecture of this mansion is a stunning combination of modern design and timeless elegance, with large glass windows, clean lines, and a beautiful blue and gray exterior color palette. Walking toward the main entrance, you are welcomed by massive glass doors and a grand entryway that instantly sets the tone for the entire home. Natural light pours into the space, highlighting the elegant finishes and high ceilings. This home was clearly designed to maximize both comfort and luxury. Now stepping inside the main living area, you are greeted by an open-concept living room that feels both warm and sophisticated. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls allow you to enjoy panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean while relaxing in a beautifully designed space. The living room features large blue and gray designer sofas, a modern fireplace, and a stunning chandelier that adds a touch of elegance. Moving further into the home, we arrive at the chef's kitchen, which is truly a dream for anyone who loves cooking and entertaining. The centerpiece of the kitchen is a massive marble island surrounded by custom blue-gray cabinetry and top-of-the-line appliances. Everything about this kitchen is designed with both style and functionality in mind. Large windows bring in natural sunlight, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Next to the kitchen is the formal dining area, which features a long designer dining table capable of seating 10 guests comfortably. The elegant lighting fixture above the table adds a luxurious feel, while the large windows offer beautiful outdoor views. This space is perfect for hosting unforgettable dinner parties with family and friends. As we continue the tour, let's head into the private garage. This garage is more than just a place to park cars, it's designed like a luxury showroom. With polished floors, modern lighting, and plenty of space for multiple luxury vehicles, it perfectly complements the prestige of the entire property. Now let's explore one of the most relaxing spaces in the home, the master bedroom. This incredible suite offers a peaceful retreat with a king-size bed, elegant blue and gray decor, and large glass walls that provide stunning ocean views. Waking up here every morning would truly feel like living in a 5-star resort. Connected to the master bedroom is a spa-style bathroom that looks like something out of a luxury hotel. It features a large marble soaking tub, a spacious glass shower, and beautiful modern finishes throughout. The natural light and calming design make this space perfect for relaxation. For fitness lovers, this mansion also includes a private home gym equipped with modern workout machines and large windows that allow you to exercise while enjoying amazing outdoor views. Now stepping outside, we arrive at one of the most spectacular features of this estate, the outdoor entertainment area. The infinity swimming pool overlooks the stunning Malibu coastline, creating an unforgettable view that blends the water of the pool with the ocean horizon. Around the pool, you'll find luxury lounge seating areas where you can relax and enjoy the California sunshine. Another incredible highlight of this property is the full-size private tennis court, perfect for staying active while enjoying the luxury lifestyle this estate offers. And of course, we cannot forget about the unique watchtower. This special architectural feature provides one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and ocean. It's the perfect place to watch sunsets over the Pacific Ocean. Finally, the home also includes a comfortable TV lounge where family and guests can relax, watch movies, and enjoy a cozy entertainment space designed with modern luxury in mind. This Malibu mega mansion truly represents the ultimate dream home. With its incredible architecture, world-class amenities, and breathtaking ocean views, it's easy to see why this property is listed at $52 million. If you enjoyed this luxury home tour, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more amazing mansion tours from around the world. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part of this incredible home was. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury tour.